All right, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, guys. It all depends on when you are coming across to this video. We are BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, so what we do here is that we teach you guys how to pass jamb, how to write post UTME and pass post UTME examination. They give you guys update, and finally we also assist you guys gain admission. All right, so you have been writing jamb for a very long time. This is your opportunity. All right, you register with us and gain your admission. All right, so please, you need subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel. So most importantly, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing content just like the one you're about to watch now, YouTube will notify you, or YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so now let's go right to the video, because I know I don't want this video to be lengthy. I don't like watching a very long video, so I want this video. Let's get right to the video right now. Okay, let's enter the video right now. So the other time I did a video, I did a content on the list of Nigerian state university that doesn't write post UTME examination. So I did a content there. I did not finish it. I stopped at number 8. Yes, sorry, don't mind me, I was taking water. So I stopped at number 8. All right, so because then I promised to complete it. Okay, so I have come with the completion of the video, of the content now. All right, so that if you know that you choose any state university as your first choice and is not here on the list, then you will know that you are definitely going to write post UTME examination. All right, unless they might decide to change their mind. But for now, as at this day I'm making this video, you are going to write post UTME. All right, so let's continue. I stopped the other time at Borno State University, and today I'll be starting from the first number 1, which is Adamawa State University. Adamawa State University doesn't write post UTME examination. What they do is that they will screen you with your WAEC result and your jamb result. Okay, if you meet their university admission criteria, they will give you admission. All right, the next one on our list is Nasarawa State University. Okay, Nasarawa State University, I guess is located at Kefi or something, I guess. So Nasarawa State University, they don't also. Okay, the third one on our list is Yobe State University. That's the third one on our list, Yobe State University. The fourth one on our list is Taraba State University. Taraba State University, they don't write post UTME. The fifth one on our list is Cross River State University of Technology, which is CRUTECH, popularly known as CRUTECH. All right, that is Cross River State University of Technology. It is popularly known as CRUTECH. Okay, so CRUTECH. So the sixth one on our list is Ekiti State University. Okay, I mentioned Ekiti State University in the last video. I mentioned Ekiti State, so now Ekiti State is not among. So Ekiti State University, they don't write post UTME. All right, so sorry for that. So the sixth one here now is Osun State University. I still mentioned Osun State University in the last video. So the very last one on our list now, is Kwara State University, which is Kwasu, popularly known as Kwasu. Kwara State University. So these institutions, they don't write post UTME. All right, they don't write post UTME. So what they do is that they will screen you with your O-level results and your jamb score. So if you meet the admission requirements, they will give you admission. But if you don't meet the admission requirements, next alternative comes. Okay, so that's how it is. So this way I'll be ending this video for today. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates. All right, subscribe for more updates, because I promise to be giving you guys updates back to back. All right, so subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I drop any amazing video or any amazing content, just like the one you just watched now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so this is where I will end this video today. So until I see you guys again in my next video, don't forget I do love and cherish you guys again. Watch out for the video for the federal. All right, so federal is coming soon, so watch out for the federal one. All right, so I love you guys, keep winning.